Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering your source and tools. Pick high-resolution scans or clean digital pages and open them in your editor. Once loaded, make a full backup copy and set up named layers for art, lines, screen tones, and text. This prevents accidental loss. You should also set document color to sRGB and resolution to 300 dpi for print quality results. Now that your workspace is organized, begin by isolating line art and tonal regions so you can edit them independently without degrading the original. You now tackle the detailed middle work. Refine line art with threshold adjustments or by tracing on a new layer so lines stay crisp. Zoom in to 200% for precise cleanup. Next, reconstruct or enhance screen tones using overlays or halftone brushes to match the original texture, and adjust opacity for natural depth. Then replace or translate dialogue by matching font weight and bubble placement, making sure kerning and line breaks read naturally. As you go, save iterative versions so you can revert if a change doesn't hold up. You wrap up by performing final adjustments. Balance contrast and levels to ensure text legibility and visual consistency, then flatten only non-essential layers and export a lossless PNG or TIFF as your master. Once done, also export a web-ready JPEG at about 80% quality for sharing while keeping the master intact. If something goes wrong, check for jagged edges and apply slight smoothing or rescan source at higher DPI, and make sure layer blending modes didn't shift. Finally, review pages sequentially to confirm pacing and continuity.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.